Hey guys, it's Mackenzie Loves Bay here, back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, and I am very sorry for that. So let's give you a run-up. I am now level 18. I bought a year VIP renew, and yeah, that's great. So I'm going to be doing theme reveal. So first, let's look at the animation. So it's called Thrift. It's called like Thrift something, and Thrift Treasures. Yes, Thrift Treasure. That's hard to say. That's stupid. That's ugly AF. I hate that. Oh, girl, I already have that. Oh, I love it. This one, those dresses are ugly AF, but it's cute. Now, the diamonds animation. Oh, yes, get it, girl. Oh, crap, I didn't click buy. My bad. Okay. I'm recording a YouTube video here. Let's go to the items. That is so cute. A basket. A bye. Yeah, Thrift Treasures. That is cute. Okay, well, let's get out of there. Let's go to clothing. Now, first of all, loving it. Like, boy, get up. I am so lit right now. That is so cute. Okay, so I'm honestly going to change the colors because that is not the cutest colors to me. That needs to be black, and this black needs to be changed to white. Adorable. I'm in love with this hair. Looks just like my hair with little sweet lines. Oh my god. Dead right now. Dead AF. Oh, what the freak are those? Ugly. Rip off of the other tank top? Thanks. Honestly, I bought like 20 of those tank tops, so I can't be talking over here. So, these are really cute. No, they're not. I guess I'm going with these. No, I'm not. Bro, I will wear no shoes for this entire theme. And we're back into the old theme. Great. Okay. I will admit, the stuff is cute, but when it comes down to the shoes, it's ugly AF. So we're not buying shoes from there. Okay, honestly, I love those, and we're going to make this a black. Now, let's go to the top items. So, people are buying these. What are these look like? Oh. Honey, now. Let's go back to themes and do a recap. So, that's cute. No, it's not. It's not cute, boo-boo. Okay. Yeah, so these are the freaking worst theme in the world. Like, MSP, learn how to make better themes. Let us help you make themes. Like, well, yeah, this is my freaking outfit, I guess. I hate this theme so much. TBH MSP, the freak. Because you guys suck right now. Let us help you make themes, and maybe people will respect you more. So I just spent money on nothing. So let's go look through my accessories. Oh yeah, I got the water drops the other day. Those are cute. Well, I guess this is my outfit for this theme. Let's find my animation. I have no clue. I wasn't even reading where these were. Okay, right here. The furry. So I'm going to use this one right now. Thanks for watching this video. Bye! Oh my lord.